So Chele and I are at the garage, getting ready to start work on her Renegade here. Today, going after the fog lights. I don't know why it's missing the stock ones, but it's pretty horrible looking. And we're also going to change the bumper. We're going to try to make my factory TJ bumper fit. Might just need a little bit of drilling and slotting. But as you can see, this bumper is in desperate need of replacement. Working on getting the bumper off. Taking a lot of heat to get these bolts loose. Took the right flare off, or excuse me, left flare, driver's side, so that we could get to these bolts in the bumper. Obviously this flare is a little messed up on that side. And needed to check out our little rust issue over here, and gee, that's a lot of rust. So, got some plates at the hardware store today. Do a little bit of cutting and welding, we'll fix that up.
Good old rust bucket.
It's all good.
When we're done with it, it won't be as rusty.
That's right. A little warm.
Oh.
And that's why we're changing the bumper. That's part of the original black paint coating from the bumper. Alright, so nasty old bumper is off. Gonna clean this up a little bit. Chipped out some of the big pieces of rust. Gonna clean it. And then add a little bit of rust preventative paint just to try and slow things down for a while. Turns rust to black primer. I've tried it. It seems to work a little bit. Alright, so the whole plan is to retrofit my old stock TJ bumper to the front of Chele's YJ. But it doesn't quite make it because of the shackles. The bottom of the back of the bumper hits the shackle and doesn't allow it to slide on far enough. So we're going to have to take this back off and just slot the holes a bit, make it fit. And then once it's on there, nice and tight, we'll take it back off. We're going to plastic dip it white to match, and should be looking good. Bottom portion of the bumper slotted lengthwise so the bumper can be pushed in and out, but I just learned the hard way that the TJ and the YJ bumpers or frames apparently aren't the same width, because this one doesn't make it to the hole like it's supposed to. So the other spot we got a nasty amount of rust on the side of the tub here, so we're going to cut it out in preparation for welding in a patch, which I'll have to do at the actual shop at my job with the welder. You